Hello, this is RJ.
Hello, this is Tracy.
Hey, Tracy, this is RJ Bates from Titanium Investments. I think I given you a call about the property that you had entered on my website.
Yes.
You still looking to sell that property?
Yes, sir.
All right, give me just a second here. Let me pull you up. Do you remember when I called you? Was it yesterday?
I couldn't really say, sir.
Alrighty. Well,
You left voice messages, and I've been very tied up.
gotcha.
First chance I picked the call back.
Well, I appreciate you giving me a call back. What's the property address that you were looking to sell?
321 Catherine Avenue. Catherine Avenue.
Gotcha. All right, I got you pulled up now. Let's see here. Oh, you're not that bad. We've just been calling you since the 10th. Man, I got some people I've been calling since like 2020. So no need to apologize. All right, let's see here. How much were you looking to get for this property?
Yeah. Yeah, it's in so-so shape, so probably around 30.
30. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is it vacant or is it occupied?
It's vacant. It was my parents' house. It's in estate.
I see. Are you the executor of the estate?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm sorry to hear about your parents passing. Unfortunately, I'm also an executor of an estate right now, so I know the kind of the responsibilities of that.
Yeah.
Is everyone on board in the family on selling the property?
It's just me.
Gotcha. All right. And you said the property is in so-so shape. What needs to be done to the property?
This last go around here, with some shingles going. The furnace is in pretty good shape. It's probably about 10 years old. The air conditioner's okay. Probably needs brought up to date. It needs remodeled.
Okay.
That's about it.
Is there anything like just structurally wrong with it? Or no, it's okay. Let's see. It's a cute property. I just got it pulled up on Street View. What's that across the street? Is that just woods across the street, or does that go down into another neighborhood?
The huge house there with 4 apartments in it. They tore that down. You get out over the hillside, you'll reach another street.
Gotcha. All right. And the square footage of the property is 1440. Is that correct?
Again, I don't have the information.
I gotcha.
In front of me.
That's probably correct.
Could you hold on 1 second, please?
Absolutely.
Hold on. I can just supervise. Sorry about that.
No worries.
I do know the house was built in 1897.
Gotcha.
and like I said, it's pretty structurally sound. It's got 3 bedrooms upstairs with a bath. Downstairs, we moved my mother downstairs, so there's the living room, kitchen, another like bedroom area, and another bath.
Okay.
And there's a basement and an attic.
Any issues with the basement at all, leaking or anything like that, or is it pretty sound down there?
It's pretty sound.
Gotcha. And everything is prepared on your side for selling the property, right?
I haven't done anything. I don't, I didn't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm going through a lawyer, so he's going to guide me through all that stuff.
I got you. So I think I can do the 30,000 for the property. So what I think we need to do there is probably send you a contract and have you present that contract to the attorney. So the attorney can say, yeah, you're good to proceed with selling the property. Because you haven't gone to court yet. You haven't been made the executor of the estate or anything like that, or what?
Oh yeah, everything as far as I know is kind of complete.
Gotcha.
Because I just got inheritance in the mail, so
I see.
that's pretty close to being done, I guess.
So is the property technically under the name of the estate of Robert Rummel?
Yes.
Gotcha.
I don't know what pictures you have, but there's a building behind the house.
Okay.
You see that?
Yes.
That is an apartment, which would probably have to have the top floors taken off. There's one, but down below is a 2-car garage.
Gotcha. Okay. So what I think I'm going to do is I've got your email as
It's RUMMELL, but they could only take so many letters, so.
Oh man, what a pain in the butt I bet that is.
Oh yeah, people call me. I sent you an email. I said, well, did you put 1 or 2 L's?
Right.
I ain't gonna get it.
You've probably said 1 or 2 L's more times in your life than you care to say. So.
Yeah, you got that right.
All right, Tracy. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write you up a contract for the 30,000. I'm going to send it over to you and get you taken care of, and hopefully make this a smooth transaction. Are you local to Brownsville?
Yeah, I live in Brownsville.
Okay. So after we sign the contract, the way our process works is we come in, we do our walkthroughs with our contractors, just verifying the condition of the property, making sure everything is the way that we need it to be. I'm assuming that we would gain access to the property through you, correct?
Correct.
Okay. I'll put that in notes. So I'll send over that contract for the 30,000. Are you okay with a 30-day closing timeline?
That's fine. It's been vacant for about a year.
Okay.
Of course, the water's been shut off, and everything. So.
Understood. Well, I will. I'll send that over to you right now, and then let me know. Do you have any questions before I send that over to you?
Not this time. If I do, I'll call you.
All right, Tracy. Well, I appreciate your time, and I'll get that sent over to you right now. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Tracy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's a good way to start out the day. Boom, baby. That's just an ideal lead right there. I mean, we've got one comp on the street sold in June, 125. We got another comp that is, let's see how far away it is, 0.2 miles away, sold for 150. We're getting it for 30. Perfect scenario right there.